of me is LENOVO TAB P12 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Security. Then click on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. When you're ready, you need to enter it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Then select one of those options for notifications on your lock screen. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and choose Done. Now when I click Home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!